Hello, everyone. We warmly welcome you all to our special program brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. I am your host, Vatika Singh. Indian Achievers Award is an honor that celebrates the people who went extraordinary to effectuate their aspirations and ideas. In this series, we emphasize not only on the struggles and achievements of the people, but also on the social contributions they made to their native land, India. Before introducing you all to our one such achiever, let's take a look at the small AV.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows, and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Today we have with us Mr. Ratnesh Rai, who's the Managing Director of QA Testing Laboratories Private Limited. He is a Bachelor in Technology and Masters in Business Administration. He has 7 years of experience in distinct fields of inception, testing, and analysis of various products such as coal, food, water, environment, and building material, and many more. QA Testing Laboratories started in 2018 with the vision to be a trusted partner for quality assurance in the field of testing by providing reliable and accurate results using innovative solutions through affordable analytical testing. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good, Vatika. How are you?
I'm fine as well, sir. So, before entering into the questions, tell us something about you and your professional journey.
Hello, guys. I'm Ratnesh Rai. I have done my graduation in BTech Mechanical from Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, and after that, I've done my masters in marketing from MIT University. I started my career in 2015 from an inspection body, where I gained experience in field of testing, inspection of product, uh, and processes. I'm also a certified lead auditor for ISO 9001, which is a quality management system, ISO 14001, which is environment management system, and ISO 45001, which is a occupational health and safety management system. I've also done my internal audit course in ISO 17025, which is laboratory information management system, which is an important factor for running a laboratory and its internal process. My role in this company is to manage different areas. Basically, I'm into more into business development. Being an auditor, I understand that quality is a very important parameter, and for customer satisfaction and for a growth of a manufacturing company, and also quality plays a very important role in identifying the properties which is present in the product. Let us take an example, like if we talk about any product, let us take in water as an example. So we need to identify what drinking water. So we need to identify what parameter exactly the government norm says and what parameter we are getting after testing it. So testing is more or less very important in different areas. It is important in construction material. So if you talk about construction material, like if you are constructing a building, you need to identify what components, what products which is being used in that construction process is as per quality norms and is as per the standards which has been given by the government. So for that, you need to get tested by an NABL ISO BIS certified lab, and it is a benchmark. Like NABL is a national accreditation board for testing and certification body. So it is a benchmark. Like BIS, NABL, ISO. So the viability of that, importance of that uh, report, you will only get by getting tested by a certain lab.
Right, sir. So, moving ahead, I'm really keen to know that what inspired you to pursue this particular field as your career and business.
Yeah. So quality is a very important concern, very serious concern these days. Like if we talk about any product, the basic importance for customer satisfaction is quality. If you are giving a quality product, you will get good business. For that benchmark, that for to get that benchmark, testing is equivalent important. Like to identify the quality, you have to get tested of the product. Now we are adopting very new technologies, very fast process, which will directly affect the end users. Lot of pre-dispatch inspection has been introduced to enhance the quality of the product and identify the defects in the product. In 2018, as we started the laboratory, we were more focused on some products like coal, which is being used in coal power plants. But now, as in for 3 years, as in 3 years, we have almost expanded in different areas such as uh, food, environment, water, construction material, garment testing, material testing, every kind of product. We do test every kind of product, and we have been NABL certified. So what inspired me is that in day to day life, whatever product which we are using has to be tested so that we can identify the its quality, and we can see that we can know by the test result that the product is as per norms or not.
Right, sir. So, since we know for a fact that starting anything has never been easy for any one of us, so what all were the challenges that you had to go through initially when you started this?
Okay. So at the time of start, we were just three people, and in 2018, we were just three people when we started. We had faced various challenges when we started this lab because as we were new to this industry, so getting a technical staff and getting a technical person, experienced person, trained person into this business is very hard because we were just new, and so the major challenge was the people. uh, Gradually, we got some good people. Now we are 52 in the organization, and also the another other factor is that trust and belief of the customer. Trust and belief of the customer is that customer wants that a lab should be accredited with several accreditation, but lab should be reputed, lab should be old, lab should have certain competency, because you are giving a quality, you are giving a test report for that product. So these two were the major challenges which we faced when we started this business. Uh, 2020 was a major challenge also because of COVID, and our complete nation has faced that. And but we all settled here. We started our laboratory. It was all lockdown. We made the arrangement in the lab itself. People were staying in the lab, and we were operating in the lab because we are into essential service provider. Once we give the report to the customer, then only the manufacturing process start, or the customer can submit it to government department. So we were essential service provider. Therefore, we got our people to stay in this lab. We managed to stay in this lab and started our testing.
Right, sir. So, tell us a bit about more about the product and services with which you cater to your clients.
Yeah. So we have earlier when we started, we were just into coal testing, but now we are into several product testing. We are doing testing for various government organization. We testing for various big players like Haldiram. We are for food testing. We are doing testing for FSSAI. We are doing testing for various civil departments, government civil departments like PWD, CPWD. We are into now we are doing testing for water testing. We are doing construction material testing. We are doing environment monitoring. Environment monitoring, there are several categories such as lux monitoring, noise monitoring, ambient air monitoring. Uh, we are associated with government organization like Delhi government, UP government. to monitor the environment condition and give the solution to the government. We are also into soil investigation and topological survey. We are into paper and product testing. We do testing of paper and products. We are into testing of metal and plastic. We do testing for manufacturers who are into sheet metal components. We test their product. We give the desirable result which come out, and they do it, planning. The manufacturing plants do planning according to it. So these are the several services which we are into it.
Right, sir. So we all have certain plans for a future. So what are your future plans with respect to QA testing?
Uh, we have started one of our laboratory back last month in Lucknow to cater area in Purvanchal. Our future plan is to start our new offices, which we are planning also in Dehradun to cater Uttarakhand. We have planned to operate in Solan to cater Himachal Pradesh. We have also planned to operate in Jammu Kashmir. Next month, we have a meeting in Jammu Kashmir to cater Jammu Kashmir areas. So these are our future plans, and gradually we will increase the capacity as per the requirement. Uh, and we have also planned to enhance the facility of electrical product testing in Noida itself. So as I said earlier, we were only into water testing. We were only into coal testing, but now we have around 34 products which we test in water, in food, in construction materials, soil investigation, and everything. So our future plan is to operate in different states so that we can cater everywhere.
It's really commendable, sir. And we wish you all the luck for all these plans of yours. Moving ahead, you must be knowing about the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign prevailing in India right now. So, what are your views on this campaign and how is QA testing laboratories working towards it?
Now, to boost Indian economy, Atmanirbhar mission is very important for every individual and every entrepreneur working in this country. So we have lot of scientists, lot of equipment manufacturer in India itself. We do not need to go outside to India because it will directly affect our Indian economy. Let us take an example. If we for testing any certain parameter of product, we need to buy an instrument. So why to go outside India and get the instrument imported in the India if we have lot of manufacturers in India itself, and we can get by them, and we can promote Atmanirbhar Bharat in the nation.
Okay, so sir, first of all, congratulations on winning the Indian Achievers Award for Emerging Company. I really want to know that what was the feeling when you came to know that you have won the award and who all were the constant supporters in this journey of yours?
I feel really very privileged to get this award. It is very privileged for me, for my team, and I really want to thank Indian Achiever Forum, who has recognized our laboratory. It will motivate. It has motivated actually our team to get more awards and. To promote testing, and because testing is more or less very important key parameter. So I would like to thank Indian Achiever Forum, especially you, Artika. You are very supportive, and thank you very much.
Okay, so sir, now since we know a lot about your professional role, tell us something about your social contributions also.
Okay. So in talking about social contribution, what we do, Artika, is that we uh, uh, test water for government school who cannot afford to get their water tested. And like very small schools, we have started in Noida, we have started in Dadri, we have started in several Aligarh. The schools are very I mean, they cannot afford water testing, and they do not know the water quality parameter, which is and you will and they when we got tested, they were shocked to see the result. So they made the improvement, and this was the best contribution which we made to the society, and we are continuously doing it. And we are testing water for various schools, various colleges, various institute, various hospital who cannot afford, who and they are using water in day to day routine. So we need to identify the what are the chemical properties in that water which will affect the, it will directly affect the individual health. So we are into that social contributions.
Right, sir. So, before concluding this session, you know that IF is followed not only by mainstream organizations, but also those young minds who aspire to be like our achievers someday. So, what is that one message you'd like to give them?
Uh, Actually, I would just say three words, which which I also follow in my life, which is hard work, honesty, and integrity. These are the only three words which will boost your business, which will motivate you to get to achieve your goal. You will work hard, you will work with honesty, you will work with integrity, you will give whatever the customer, whatever the requirement of customer is. And you also, one more thing is that don't worry about the challenges and the problem and challenge both are constant in the life. So once you deal with it with a new learning, then you will your growth will be 100% assured.
And that I must say, sir, is a great piece of advice. Thank you so much for joining with us today. It was a pleasure talking to you, and we hope that you continue to inspire people of all ages forever. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Atika. Thank you very much.